Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and thank you so much for your love and support so far. As I promised in the last video, today I'll make chicken momos for you guys, and I will also show some tips how to make different shapes of the momos. Actually this recipe is very similar to the veg momos. The only difference is the filling. So let's begin. Let's take a look at the ingredients we need for this recipe. Here I have taken about 200 grams of boneless chicken breast, 1 onion roughly chopped, finely chopped ginger and garlic, spring onion, fresh coriander, 1½ cup of all-purpose flour to make the dough, oil, water, some chilies if you want it to be spicy, salt and pepper as per taste. We will start with the dough. For that, transfer the flour into a plate, add about 1 teaspoon of oil, some salt to taste and mix it well. Now add a little water at a time and try to make a medium soft dough. We do not want our dough to be very soft or very hard. Our dough is almost ready and it looks perfect to me. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and keep it aside for like 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the filling. For that, transfer the chicken into a mixture grinder and grind it into a paste. Now transfer the chicken into a bowl, then add all other ingredients like the spring onions, the fresh coriander, then the chilies. If you want it to be more spicy, you can add more. It's completely up to you. Then the finely chopped ginger and garlic, salt as per taste, some pepper, and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Give it a rough mix and then add the chopped onion and mix it well. For that, remove the damp cloth from the dough. Now add about 1 teaspoon of oil and just knead it once or twice. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a thin wrapper. Today I will show 3 different shapes of how to make momos. For the first one, take about 1 tablespoon of the filling, place it at the center of the wrapper, then make plates at one side like this. And then stick the other side. And that's it. Now let's try the second one. It is actually very easy. Just take about 1 tablespoon of the filling, place it at the center, and then stick both the sides like this, and then stick both the corners. And that's it. Isn't it very easy? Now we will try the third one. For that, also take about 1 tablespoon of the filling, place it at the center, and then make plates all over like this, and then try to stick everything together. Now remove the tip. And that's it. The third one is done. Now it's time to steam the momos. For that, first spread some oil on the plate so that the momos do not stick to the plate. Then add the momos and steam it for 30 minutes. Today I am using a rice cooker to steam the momos, but you can also use a idli stand or a normal pot to steam the momos. After 30 minutes, our momos are almost done. Now I am going to transfer it into a serving plate. Here is your tasty chicken momos. Today I am serving the momos with a chutney. If you want to know the recipe of the chutney, you can check my earlier videos of how to make the momo chutney. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.